In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple checklist in Google Sheets. This is a really handy tool, especially if you're looking to stay organized, keep track of tasks, or just manage everyday lists. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Sheets. This can be done by navigating to Google Sheets through your browser, where you'll be prompted to either create a new sheet or open an existing one. For this demonstration, let's go ahead with creating a new blank spreadsheet. Once you have your spreadsheet open, the next step is to find and click on the Insert menu at the top of your screen. This menu holds a variety of options that you can insert into your spreadsheet, but what we are specifically interested in is the checkbox. After you click on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear where you can then select Checkbox. The checkboxes are great because they give you a visual way to mark tasks as complete. Now that you have your checkboxes inserted, it's time to add some flair and functionality with conditional formatting. To do this, move your mouse to the top menu and click on Format. From there, you'll want to select Conditional Formatting. This feature is wonderfully interactive, allowing you to change the appearance of your cells based on certain conditions, making your checklist not only functional, but also visually pleasing. You'll notice a sidebar appears on the right-hand side of the screen when you enable conditional formatting. Look for the option that says Custom Formula Is. Click on this to start inputting the formula that will control the formatting of your checklist. In the formula box, type HICHS B2, B4, True if you want the format to apply when the checkbox is checked, indicating completion. Now, to specify the styling, let's click on the Fill Color option and select a green color for completed tasks. Green is usually associated with done or successful, so it makes an excellent choice for our completed items. Don't forget to click Done to apply this rule. For the next step, we're going to add another rule to handle incomplete tasks. Click on Plus. Add another rule, once again choose Custom Formula Is, and in the formula box type HICHS B2, B4 False. This time, for the fill color, select yellow. This will leave the unchecked tasks highlighted, reminding you of pending tasks. Once these settings are saved by clicking Done, take a moment to admire your fully functional checklist. The design will now visually differentiate between completed and pending tasks, making it easier for you to keep track of what still needs to be done. That's it. You've successfully created a simple yet effective checklist in Google Sheets. Hopefully, this enhances your productivity and helps you to manage your tasks with ease. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.